catch it again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. I did a fresh pineapple juice the other day, a fresh icy pineapple juice, a fresh this with pineapple. You know what I mean? Today I have some more pineapple and I decided to do a mint and pineapple juice. Alright, so first of all, it's gonna be icy, a lot of ice is gonna be inside of it, guys. So that's the ice you need. All I'm going to do is pop roughly about it, just a little pinch of water to free up the blender a little bit. Then I have some pineapple, leftover pineapple right here. I'm going to pop some pineapple inside of my blender like this. Roughly about quarter of a pineapple I have left over, and I decided to use it up to make a nice lovely smoothie. I did a video like this a couple of weeks ago, but you know what I mean, it's pineapple. You can do a lot of things with pineapple. Nice one. So that's the pineapple. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put just a little piece of a mint inside of it for color. Alright. And then I'm going to get a piece of a ginger. Fresh ginger is very good to use inside of it. So that's going to bring in a lovely flavor towards it, guys. And lemon. I'm going to squeeze roughly about quarter of a lemon juice. And that's gonna, you know what I mean, bring in also a nice flavor towards it also. So it's gonna be like amazing drink, and I know you guys definitely will love this one. So let's cover my blender and blend this roughly about 3 to 4 seconds, alright, and see. Lovely and nice, look at nice and lovely, guys. So basically, let's see exactly what's going on inside of it, alright. So it's supposed to be an amazing one. I know. Really nice. You can taste the mint. You know, the pineapple was a little bit sweet, but that's fine. So what we're going to do, we're going to pop it straight inside of it like this. It's going to be a fresh mint and pineapple smoothie. It's gonna be a really amazing drink, guys, honestly. You know, I have the recipe over the last couple of days, which I said I need to make this recipe, you know, because it is summer and a lot of people have been looking at a lot of ideas from Chef Ricardo for the summer. And I said one thing come to my mind is to do this one. So here how it goes. Fresh mint and pineapple smoothie from Chef Ricardo, guys. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. It's amazing to know that things what you can do at home, very easy and simple. Fresh pineapple with fresh mint and smoothie, guys, with ginger and lemon. It is an amazing drink. The weather is changing. Kids may love this one at home, and you know what I mean, yeah, you're gonna love it also too. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas. Look at it, really fantastic. We got a lot of juice coming, a lot of salad, a lot of things will be coming this summer from Chef Ricardo. Remember to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google plus me, and get your recipe what you want to make at home. Very easy and simple. Ice, fresh mint, ginger and lemon. You can put a little bit of honey if you like.